हाय एवरीवन, आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। लास्ट टाइम मेरे वीडियोस में बहुत लोगों को ऑडियो प्रॉब्लम हुई थी। आई होप इस वीडियो में ऑडियो प्रॉब्लम ना हो। दिस वीडियो इज समथिंग फन विच वी ऑलवेज वांटेड टू ट्राई but must have not tried because of some or the other reason. I got a reason to try this, so here's this video. We all must have watched the 5 minutes craft that's in Instagram or maybe in YouTube. So I tried one of the hack from 5 minutes hack, and here is the outcome in front of you guys. I'll show you. I didn't make the video of the whole process, but uh, I will show you how it worked out. So what happened was I found two lipsticks, empty lipsticks kept in my mom's room. So from there this idea of me trying this hack came. So I'll show you the lipsticks right now. I've actually completed the hack and the product is ready, but I didn't make the video as I said earlier. So I'll show you right now the lipstick. So here is the lipstick. If you can see, it's an empty lipstick, and when I tried to take out the empty, like the portion which was left, it is about the size of this much. So this much lipstick came out from this. So-called, we thought that it's finished, this much amount of lipstick. So what I did was I took this out with the help of a safety pin which I had in front of me. So this is the safety pin which I used to take out the left out lipstick which we thought was finished. What I did was I pulled it out as far as it could go, and then I used this lipstick, this safety pin. What I did was I tried to scroll just like this. If you could see from the outer corner, I just did like this and tried to take it out with this safety pin. Now you can see still this much of lipstick is being taken out. Even now, even though I've done the hack, I tried to scoop out as much lipstick as was possible at that point of time. So from two lipsticks like this which we thought was empty, I took the lipstick out and I took it out I transferred it in a spoon. This is the spoon in which I transferred the lipstick. If you could see, it's already burned because of the candle's fire. I used a candle to do this hack. So what I did was I put all the lipstick in this spoon, and then after scooping out from two lipsticks, I scooped out. And after that, what I did was I put it under a candle, because of which you can see it has already burned. I don't know how much of it I will be able to get rid of it after washing it, but this is what it is. So when it was burning, let me tell you, the whole room was smelling lips. So after burning it and thus skipping the lipstick on top of this portion, I burned it. And what I did next was, when it was hot and still liquidy, I used one of the empty lipstick. I used one of the empty lipstick and poured it into this, just like this. I tried to pour it down. There was slightly, sometimes it was going, off, but I used my nails to scrape it off and again put it inside the container. I didn't have any empty container which was round in shape, because again I know it will again get we will think it's empty because after it gets finished to one level, but again there will be some amount, approx this much, which will be left beneath it, but nothing can be done. Okay, so after I poured all of it which I was able to pour, this is the final result I would like to show you. You can see this much lipstick I was able to make out of it. But I think this much lipstick will be like, you can use it for I think a month or so, maybe, I don't know, maybe more or less, I don't know, but I think it is quite a good amount of lipstick. I know its shape is not proper, but once you start using it, it will eventually get it. During this process, a lot of lipstick did go waste, As you can see, it's in the spoon. It was all over my hands. I will try to show you one of the picture of my hands after the hack was done. So if you could afford, or if you could use a plastic gloves or something of that sort, it will be great to help to save your hands from all the lipstick. But nonetheless, you have a little bit of lipstick will get waste in the process of recycling it and reusing it. But that's the beauty of it. We still get a lot of it, and we can use this leftover lipstick to just apply in your lips maybe. I don't know if this hack results in any kind of chemical disbalance or something because of the burning of the lipstick. So you can apply the leftover lipstick on your lips maybe. And I have the habit of using the lipstick for sort of blush, as a blush also. I use it at times, and nobody could tell that I used a lipstick for it. So I'm all ready. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, then do share it with all of your friends. And it's quarantine time. I know there's a lot of thing going inside your head, in your life, and take care, stay safe, stay at home. Everything has come to a stop, but I found this a time to experiment and do some hacks. And I would encourage you guys to also go ahead and try some amazing stuff. Thank you. I tried washing the spoon which had the burning marks, and it came off. So no need to worry, your spoon will be safe. But maybe not your hands.